Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 1997 Kenner starting lineup. Today we have a Kenner Collectors Club exclusive of Nolan Ryan, 1967, playing for the Suns, his minor league uniform. And it's the 10th year edition of the Kenner starting lineups, 1997 it is. Let's see, it's a little dusty. That is why this is one of my very favorite Kenner starting lineups. I love the backing. It's got a pinhole in it right there. Another one down here. I think they had it tacked up on a wall or something. A little blemish there. But what I'm going to do, I do want to open up my mint one, but not yet. I'm going to open up this one first, and then I'm going to frame this. If I can find a frame that will fit that, I'm going to frame it, and I want to hang that up on my wall. Let's check it out. Out of the package. Come on. Try to keep the package as neat as I can. Oh, wow. This is a really cool card. It's one of those motion cards. Very cool. It's a Kenner starting lineup exclusive. Very nice. Look at that. That's my favorite card right now. This is my favorite card. That's what I'm framing. And here he is. Let's see if he stands up on his own. Let's get a good look at him first. In his son's uniform. We have moving neck, moving shoulder, moving shoulder, and moving waist. 4 moving parts on this Kenner starting lineup. Here's your base. Oh, there you go. Ryan on the back, number 21. He does stand on his own. Sweet. Where's the best place to put his card? How about right there? Appreciate everybody that's tuned in to check out this Kenner starting lineup with me. Nolan Ryan Collectors Club piece. Let me know what you think of this in the comments below. I really love the starting lineup back of the card. And I can't wait to get that framed and hang it up on my wall in my office. Appreciate everybody that's tuned in. Please subscribe. And till next time, T10 out.